Hi to all. Today we are going to make potato fritters or potato pakoda in Hamari style. So take potato and make slices like this and soak them in a salted water for 5 minutes. Now let us prepare batter. For making batter, take 4 to 5 teaspoons of gram flour. Add 1 teaspoon of corn flour, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt as per taste, little bit baking soda, then add water and mix it well and make a smooth batter as shown here. Now take oil in a pan. Once the oil becomes heat, dip the potato slices into the batter and fry it in oil at a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes from both the sides or until it becomes golden brown color. So here our potato pakoda is fried nicely, so take them out. So our potato fritters or potato pakoda is ready. It looks so crispy. We can serve this with a tomato sauce or Szechuan sauce. If you liked our recipe, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.